Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today's video naman is i-share ko sa inyo yung quick and easy way to make your own fresh mint tea. So halina kayo guys, samahan niyo ako! Okay guys, so our ingredients is of course fresh mint leaves and of course hot water. If gusto niyo naman maglagay ng sweetener, you can put sugar or honey. But for me, mas gusto ko yung ang natural flavor ng mint. Kasi pag binabad natin siya sa mainit na tubig, lalabas talaga yung kanyang natural flavor. So, let's start! Okay guys, so ayan, nalagay ko na yung ating fresh mint leaves sa 1 cup natin. So, lalagyan natin siya ng hot water. Okay. And ibababad lang po natin siya for about 5 minutes. Hihintayin po natin na lalabas yung kulay ng ating mint leaves. So, magiging brown siya. I mean green. Magiging green yung ating water. Magiging green po yung ating water. And after that, kapag nakita natin umiiba na po yung kulay ng ating water, is pwede nyo na po siyang lagyan ng inyong sweetener, which is the sugar or your honey. So, ayan guys. Hintayin lang natin. Hi guys! So, ayan. Tapos na po ang ating fresh mint tea. So, ayan na po siya guys. So, unti-unti na po siyang nag-iiba yung kulay natin. Pwede na po siya nating lagyan na ating sweetener, which is the sugar and the lemon. Pero ako po, hindi po ako naglagay ng any sweetener kasi mas gusto ko po yung flavor ng natural flavor ng ating mint tea. So, ayun guys. So, it's up to you guys if kung gusto nyo pong maglagay ng sweetener. So, yon. So, guys, thank you for watching for my video and I hope you like it. And please comment below if nagustuhan nyo rin po yung flavor ng ating mint tea. And I hope na mag-subscribe po kayo sa aking channel. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And please don't forget to click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking video. Salamat guys!